Hello everybody, my name is Hugo Forster. I wanted to tell you about this awesome pipe relining job we did in this building. This building is actually about 70 or 80 years old. It was renovated with real genuine marble. All the hallways are done with marble. The interiors of all the units are done with marble. And the old cast iron sewer pipes underneath the floors were never replaced. So after the renovation was done, they discovered all the cast iron sewer pipes were corroding and they had to replace them, or they could reline them. So we actually came out here and relined the pipes using a flexible fabric sock that was saturated with resin that is installed inside the pipe, and after a cure time of typically about 3 hours, it turns into rock. But this video is actually going to demonstrate to you how strong this lining is. Because if I were to tell you the engineering term that it has a flexural modulus of 1.7, that means nothing to you. If we tell you it has a 50-year warranty and a 100-year engineered life, that's going to be hard to believe. So we have a layman's version to demonstrate how strong this lining is. So if you'll go outside, I'll show you some interesting footage. Alright, so what we have is a piece of cast iron pipe. This is the cast iron and this is the lining that was installed inside the pipe. I have a sample of PVC here. This green is PVC. I'm going to reline the inside of the PVC just like we did this cast iron pipe. And what I want to show you is just how strong this lining is. And I'm going to use a hammer and I'm going to beat on it as much as I can. Alright, that's that. Now the next scientific demonstration of how strong this lining material is I weigh, unfortunately, you can step back, I weigh about 230 pounds, I'm not proud of it, but I'm 6'6". Okay, I'm 6 foot. So technically I weigh far too much, but the 230 pound Hugo Forster craftsmanpipelining.com test is going to be as follows. I'm going to stand with 1 foot on this section of lining. There's no cast iron here, there's cast iron on the side, but I'm going to stand on just that section. I'm going to put 230 pounds on these 4 square inches of lining, and we're going to see if this lining can survive. There we go. I don't think it even flexed. I don't even know if the liner flexed. So that was my demonstration of how strong the pipe lining is that goes inside these sewer pipes. Thank you very much.